Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can change objects color in Photoshop. So let's get started. Now there are so many ways to change objects color, but I'm going to show you the way that I feel is pretty easy. So first of all, we need to select the object. So I want to select this cap. So you can use any selection tool that you feel you can handle pretty easily. So I think object selection tool is pretty easy to use in this case, but you can use other tools if you feel easier to use. Once the object is selected, press Ctrl J or Command J to duplicate this selection like this. Now I want to make this black and white, so I'm going to use the adjustment layer. So click over here and choose black and white. Now to apply this black and white adjustment layer only to this layer, simply right click and click create clipping mask so that it only applies to this particular layer. Now once it is black and white, I'm going to use the solid color adjustment layer, solid color, and pick the color that you want. So first I'm going to use this blue color. You can choose any color that you like. Again we need to right click and create clipping mask so that it only applies to the hat or cap layer. Now we need to change this isn't looking realistic, so to change that we can use the blending options. So this one, multiply, color burn, linear burn. So these two options looking pretty good, but I want this option. But as you can see, it is looking darker. So what we can do is we can use another adjustment layer, levels. You can use curves as well, but I'm going to use levels. Again we need to right click and create clipping mask so that it only works on this particular layer, on the cap layer. Now using this property panel, we can increase the brightness like this, and we can use this particular option which is midtones to change the contrast. That is very important. Without this, that won't look realistic. So whenever you are happy, just stop doing what you're doing, and once you are happy, so this looks pretty good to me. As you can see, if you want more bright like so, you can increase the brightness and just make sure that the details are there, otherwise it won't look realistic. So this is looking pretty good to me. And if you want to change the color, simply double click on the solid color adjustment layer and change the color accordingly like so. And if it is too bright, you can simply go to the levels again and you can darken the layer like so, and you can adjust the contrast using the midtones. This is the midtones. Again double click and choose the color, whatever color that you want. So let's say if I want yellow color like this, red, looking pretty good like this. So you can choose any color that you want, and I'm using this method because it gives us more realistic results. We can try it on another object. So let's say if I want to change the shirt color, so first we need to select the shirt. Now I'm going to use the quick selection tool because I think that is the quickest way to select this particular shirt. Again press Ctrl J or Command J. Again go to the adjustment layers, black and white, right click, clipping mask. Now again choose solid color, right click. First we need to choose any color, right click, create clipping mask. Again change the blending mode. So this one is looking nice, but as you can see it is looking much darker. So I will choose this one, multiply, and again I will choose levels, right click, clipping mask, and I will change the color first. So let's say I want this one, or maybe green one, and you can change the brightness and darkness accordingly like so, like this. Again go to the brightness, the levels, and you can increase the brightness like this, again go to and increase the brightness. So this is looking yellow, looking pretty good. You can also make this white like this if you want it white. So in short, you can choose any color that you like and make it look as realistic as possible using this method. So do give it a go and let me know in the comment section what are your results. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.